How to create histograms in SPSS. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your SPSS and you want to already import the data you would like to create histogram with. Now head over to the top of your screen and then you want to click on graphs. Now scroll down to the bottom and you want to click on histogram. Now you're going to go ahead and select the variable that you want. Now click on the arrow to get what you selected into the box. I'm also going to be checking on the box display normal curve. Then I'll click on OK. And as you can see, here is our histogram and you can see the curve that I checked the box on. And this is how easy it is to create histogram in SPSS. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.